Hey everybody, what's going on? I'm back for another unboxing, and I think it might be a Bachmann Gordon. So let's just, wait and see. This took a while to get here. Yeah. So, let's, dive right into it, shall we? Oh yes, I know what this is. Ta-da! It's Gordon. Yup, that's right, ladies and gentlemen. The crowning model in my collection. I can't wait to unbox him and review him. That's right. I finally got the crowning model in my collection. And it's also been a pretty long time since I last did an unboxing review, hasn't it? It's been a pretty long time since, I last did an unboxing of a Bachmann model, hasn't it? I will do a review of this soon. I just don't know when, but keep an eye out. So, yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed. And I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing.